Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix threads not permitted. So basically Instagram has launched the threads, and if you want to simply log into thread and you want to create an account and you see this kind of interface, then I will tell you how you can fix that. So first of all, you have to close this page, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply install the threads app, and after that you have to check whether your account is restricted or not. If it is showing restriction, then you will not be allowed to use the thread application. And you have to also check whether thread is allowed in your region or not, which means thread is only for the specified region, and you have to wait for some time so that thread is also available in your country and region. So you have to wait for some time, and after that, if the problem is still there and it is available in your country or region and you are having this kind of problem, then what you have to do, you have to simply change the account which you are using for login into threads, which means you have to use another Instagram account which you have to connect to the threads, because to use the thread you have to simply attach an Instagram account, and after that you can simply enjoy the threads without any problem.